Buenos dias everybody. Today I'm going to be trying some new gel polish strips that I got from Igloo Spa. I have been using nail polish strips for a long time. They are supposed to be like a volume gel strip, and they're wrinkle free and chip free and supposed to last up to 14 days. I'm gonna try them on now and then let you know what I think. Okay, so I'm gonna start by, of course, reading the instructions. On the back here of the packaging, it tells us how to apply and how to remove. And this is how the front of the packaging looks like. I actually picked two different ones. So I'm gonna try the Scarlet Sense color, which is the one on the right, and then I'll try the other one next week. It comes with a total of 30 gel strips, and as you can see, the gel strips are not like completely flat. They kind of have a curve to them, and that's supposed to kind of help with not lifting and supposed to help for a smooth application. Okay, so it also comes with one nail file and an alcohol pad. I'm just using a cuticle pusher to push my cuticles back. The instructions say you should also not use any kind of hand lotion or water on your hands at least an hour before the application. So you make sure to do that. And then here I'm just sizing to make sure I pick the appropriate size that is going to fit my nails. Since my nail beds are pretty big, I pick always the largest sizes. So I put it on starting at the cuticle, and then I push down, making sure that I don't leave any air bubbles before I start filing. Then I file downwards using this downward motion, making sure I file off any of the excess strip. I do not pull any of the excess that's hanging because I don't want it to shrink. Since it is a gel-like material, I don't want it to shrink back down to a smaller size. Just make sure that it's flush on exactly on my nail. You really have to use a lot of pressure to make sure that it is in the shape of your nail so that it doesn't lift. So I just try to apply as much pressure as possible and make sure it sticks to my nail. So far, my only gripe with these are these accent nail strips. None of them were large enough to fit like this nail specifically. I guess I should have only used it on my pinky because it didn't cover, I guess, from, you know, side to side. I wish it was a little bit bigger, but next time I'd probably just use the accent strip on my pinky. What's great about this is that you really don't need any LED lamp. You don't need any other polish. But I did see that on the Igloo Spa website, it does mention that you can add 1 or 2 layers of gel top coat and cure it under the lamp. So I did apply 2 layers of gel top coat on my dominant hand, which is my right hand. Since I use it the most, I just want to see if it does last longer. So I'll go ahead and update you guys on that next week. But I do love the way these turned out. As you can see, the one with the gel top coat is a little bit shinier. Okay, so I just finished the application. I think this is super different than any other nail polish strip that I tried, because these really do feel like gel nail polish. I love the ombre effect. Look at that ombre look. It's so pretty. It shapes to your nail really well. I love that they're cruelty free, and I'm actually gonna try the other color that I got next week, so stay tuned for that. And if you enjoyed watching, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.